Hi, everybody. Welcome to Lattes with Team Levy. Laura Levy here with Thrive Mortgage, and today I am joined with Sam from Goosehead Insurance. Thanks for joining us today, Sam.
Thank you for having me.
I stopped at my current favorite coffee shop, Dutch Bros, this morning. I've got a double eagle, extra shot, blended. It's very good. How about you?
I just got a normal drip coffee from Stylus Crate, actually right down the street on 38th between Sheridan and Wadsworth.
Yeah.
Great little spot.
Awesome. Well, I wanted to ask Sam to come by today and talk about insurance. With the recent fires up north outside of the Boulder area, the Marshall fires, a lot of people found themselves uninsured and are having some problems with their homeowners insurance. So I wanted to have you here today to kind of walk people through why did they become underinsured, what we can do to kind of prevent that from happening in the future.
There could have been a number of factors of why those homes were underinsured, but one of them, which is kind of specific to right now, is we've all seen kind of lumber prices going up, builders' costs going up because of supply line issues or anything like that. And so it's important to kind of get your home reshopped once a year, because every time you get your home reshopped with your insurance or taken a look at by your insurance agent, they'll also run what's called a builder's estimate, right? And so as the cost of lumber and labor go up, that builder's estimate will keep the essentially cost that you're insured for at the current value to rebuild the entire home. You know, so for individuals who haven't taken a look at that over the past few years, you know, the cost of labor and lumber has been going up and other materials like that.
Yeah.
But people haven't reevaluated the cost to rebuild their home to compare with those things. So that's one reason that you're going to want to have your home kind of reshopped or the insurance taken a look at per year.
Perfect. Well, I know that you haven't seen the new office yet. You want to take a look around the new office
Absolutely.
space? All right, let's go. I wanted to let you know that we have a very exciting raffle. If you watch the whole video, then you'll have an opportunity to enter for something extremely cool and something I'm excited about. Well, I wanted to kind of take you around the outside of the property so you could take a look at it. While we're outside, it just reminded me of some of the other products and value propositions that you might have for people. So you want to share with us maybe some of those other insurance opportunities that you have?
Definitely. So in addition to the home insurance, we also have auto insurance. And that's really important for clients that we can kind of bundle the home with the auto, because depending on the carrier that we put them with or the insurance company, it can save from 10 to 30% on home insurance. So I always take a look at that with my clients as well. Like I mentioned inside, I always want to add kind of like any jewelry, engagement rings. It can be as low as $30 a year to insure a $10,000 engagement ring. So always want to mention that to my clients. And then especially for my first time home buyers, I always bring up life insurance, you know, because now that you have actual assets and, you know, possibly a family at that point, it's good to start thinking about. And also, you're never going to be as young or healthy as you are right now. So that's as cheap as it's pretty much going to be. And so we have a couple of great carriers for that as well. So when I'm talking with a client, I like to bring those things up. We also offer flood insurance. And the reason I do bring all those things up as an option for the client is because it's just easiest to have everything in one place.
Sure.
So
convenience is key.
Exactly. You're only contacting one person. And I also like to mention that too. I have a number of people who are real estate investors and they have their assets with me because it's just easy for them to consolidate. And another thing for any real estate investors is it makes it much easier to have everything with one person, and especially a broker, because if they have things in multiple different states or different regions, different companies will just be better for the different properties that they might have.
Makes sense. Hey guys, and just as a reminder, if you will please like and subscribe and follow this channel. You never know what's gonna show up on here. We hope to bring you really good content, but if you don't subscribe, you might miss out. Well, I really appreciate you coming by today. I think it's really important for homeowners to talk to their insurance agent at least once a year. So there's always things for people, once you talk to them and you learn what is going on in their home and their life, to be able to direct them towards either one policy or maybe you need to do an attachment.
Definitely. And for a home, it's important to have a full conversation with your insurance agent, your insurance broker, whatever it might be, because there's a lot of different things that you're going to want your insurance company to know about what breed of dog you have, whether you run a small business out of your home, you know, any kind of like additions that you've added on, or, you know, new cabinetry that you might have put into the home. Whether you work from there, whether you have really expensive jewelry or, you know, sports memorabilia or anything like that you're going to have to want to insure on top of the home. So you'll just want to make sure you're covered for everything that you want to be covered for and have that conversation. So.
Awesome. Well, thanks again for stopping by.
Absolutely.
All really great information. And if people want to reach out to you, do you want to give them your contact information?
Yeah, so my direct line is 720-912-1754. You'll be able to reach me on that, no hold times or anything. And then the best email to reach me at is Samuel, my first name, .Genuis, Genuis @goosehead.com.
Thanks so much for stopping by. And if you've watched the entire video, then you know what the special will be. 2 tickets to an Avalanche playoff game. Comment below that you watched the entire video and that you want in on the raffle. Go Avs and have a great day.